ladies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I'm Leisha if you're tuning to watch me for the first time, and if you're returning to watch me, you're welcome. In this video, I'm going to be featuring the Ipsy February box. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So I've got three packages with me. This is the Ipsy February Glam Bag, looks like this. And this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which looks like this. And I also have the refreshments bag as well, which looks like this. I thought to mention that this is the PR version of the Ipsy boxes, which means I get to get this for free in exchange for my review. Cost of this is $12, and you get like 5 sample products for this one. And this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It comes with 5 full-size products, and the cost of this is $25. And we're gonna start off with the Ipsy Glam Bag. So starting off with the Ipsy Glam Bag, it looks like this. Comes with this lips in front of it, and then at the back it says sealed with a kiss. Perfect for the Valentine. So pretty, I love it. And on this side it says Ipsy. So I'm just gonna open the bag real quick. This bag looks different, like compared to other bags we received. It has like a zip on here at the top, but this one just comes with a button like so, which is really pretty. The first product I have here is by the brand One Kind. This is their Pore Perfectionist. It's a refining facial clay. It looks like this. I think this would be perfect for like a spa night thing. If you want to have a spa night going on, that would be great. The next product I have here is by the brand Glam Glow. This is their illuminating anti-fatigue eye cream. Looks like this. The packaging is really cute. I love it. And then I'm gonna open it. The scent is really mild. Looks like this. The next product I have here is by Bite Beauty. This is their Orange Fizz lipstick. Looks like this. I'm gonna open it. Ooh, this red. Oh my God. This is one of the reasons why I don't have lipstick on and eyeshadow, because I want to use up the products that was sent to me. This lipstick though, ooh, the red is that's what it looks like. The next product I have here, which I'm so excited about, this is the MAC lipstick, and this one is in Sweet Sakura. I'm just gonna open this up. Okay, we all know the MAC lipsticks. It's not changed, it's still the same packaging. And I'm gonna open it up, show you guys what. Ooh, this red. Oh my God, I love it. This is so pretty. I'll do a swatch for you guys to see. They're both different. I don't know which one to use. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the MAC. This one here is the MAC lipstick. I love the way it looks. Next product I have here is the Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo Palette. Looks like this. The packaging is cute though. This is the Rose Gold and Ivory eyeshadow. Just gonna, okay. This is what it looks like. And I'm not gonna touch it, but I'm gonna be using this towards the end of the video just to show you guys what it looks like. This is the Glam Bag Plus. As I showed you guys before, it comes in this beautiful drawstring bag, and you got like lips all over the bag. It's so pretty, you guys. And the very first product I have here is by the brand About Face Matte Fluid Eyeshadow Paint. The packaging is nice, and oh my gosh, this looks so pretty, you guys. This is what it looks like. I actually didn't have my eyeshadow look today because I'd like to try this eyeshadow and let you guys know what I think, but I'm gonna be doing this towards the end of the video. And the next product I have here is, oh wow, I love that. The next product I have here is by the brand Benefit. This is their 24-hour brow setter. The packaging looks like this. It's so pretty. And I'm gonna open it up real quick. I think this is the mini size product. You guys, I'm not sure it's supposed to be in this Glam Bag Plus, but it looks like this. Oh my gosh, I love it. I'm gonna try to use this on my brows today, okay? We came ready. The next product I have here is by the brand Dr. Brandt. This is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Max. Looks like this, okay? And the packaging looks nice. I'm gonna open this up. Oh my gosh, it looks so simple and nice. This is what it looks like. I'd love to try this because I honestly love like sleeping max. I've been using them lately because it's winter. My skin has not been like, it's been acting up. This is sealed. I wish I could open this to like have an idea of what it smells like, but it's sealed. I'm gonna let you guys know, probably in the review for couple videos that I'm gonna film. The next product I have here is by the brand Beauty Start. This is the Universal C Skin Refiner. This is what it looks like. I'm so excited for this particular product because I don't currently use any vitamin C in my skincare routine. I have a vitamin C oil from Paula's Choice, but I have not been consistent with it because I don't know, I always skip it for some reason. I don't know why, but this I'm so excited about because I'm still like dealing with spots every month, hyperpigmentation, and this, I feel this is gonna be really good for my skin. It's for radiant, smoother, and more even textured skin from first use to last, and it also claims to diminish fine lines and wrinkles, soothing inflammation, and brightening and even skin tone. Skin is refreshed, radiant, and healthy. I would really love to try this, honestly, you guys. At least this would help me get consistent with using vitamin C. I'm gonna try and let you guys know in my review for next month. The last product I have here from the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is by the brand It Cosmetics. This is a makeup brush. It looks like this. Oh my goodness, it feels incredibly soft. Oh my goodness, this is what it looks like. Really pretty. I love this. It says it's a skin hugging foundation brush. This is in the number 707. This is really cute. I love it. So I'm gonna be using the About Face Fluid eye paint on my eyes. When I'm done with that, I'm gonna show you guys what I received for this refreshment bag here. Eyeshadow comes with a doe foot applicator like this. I'm just gonna swatch it on my hand just to, okay, you know what, okay, it feels really nice. I don't know if I could use this on my lips. I'm not going to because it's not a lip product, but that is what the shade looks like. And I forgot to mention that this is in the shade Cloned. I think I don't have my glasses on. Where is the pack? It should be more bold. Okay, it's in the shade Cloned. Okay, and then, oh my gosh, I'm so like I'm so scared. I have not used any liquid eyeshadow before, you guys. Okay, let's do okay. I love how it looks on my eyes. Oh my goodness. This looks nice. I was so scared. I'm going to be blending this using the Farah blending brush. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. This looks nice. using the Love You First eyeshadow palette. Looks like this. I'm gonna be using my I'm gonna be using the Farah tempered blending brush. Looks like this, and I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, the brown shade. I'm gonna use that for my crease area, just a little bit. I don't really like how it looks, so I'm just gonna, you don't have to do this, but I just want to go like extra. Okay, I'm gonna be using this like on the outer corner of my eyes, like so. I'm gonna be using this shimmer shade here, and I'm gonna use that like in the middle part of my lid, just to spice things up a little bit.
Me, but I want you, and you breathe me, just like I'm your oxygen. Yeah, it's so easy when it comes to you, caught up in these.
You guys, this is the final look of my eyeshadow. I honestly love how this look turned out on my eyes. I was honestly scared of trying this fluid eyeshadow paint, but I'm glad it worked out really nice on my skin. And this Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo palette was so easy to blend. I don't have any problems whatsoever. This is really, really good. I'm gonna go in with the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. It's a mini sized product, and this is what the brush looks like. So I'm just gonna use this to brush my brows like so. Oh my gosh, I love how this feels, so soft. Ooh, love that. I wish I had somewhere I was going with this look. I'm gonna be using this lipstick I already showed you guys before. This is from the Glam Bag.
See, I ain't gotta hustle, make a fire, down 'cause I'm a rider, and you know this. Siren, move so independent, get it dancing.
Then I'm gonna wipe that off and use this other lipstick by MAC Cosmetics. This is by MAC. Let me know in the comment which of these red lipsticks you like on me, because I don't really know which one fits me best, but if you ask me, I think I'll go with the MAC one. And this I would have to use like a lip pencil with it because it's too red. Too red for me. Okay, you guys, so this is by the brand Refreshments. I'm just gonna open it up real quick. The first product here is the Pillowy Shave Cream. Looks like this. You guys, I love the packaging of this brand. It is so colorful and beautiful. It just looks calming, okay? Got Luscious Hand Cream, Cleansing Face Wipes, Pillowy Shave Cream, which I just showed you guys before, and there's a Lux 5-blade razor, which I'm gonna show you guys now. And this is the packaging. Pretty. Wow, this is so nice. Comes like this. Okay, so this is the handle to the razor. It looks like this. It feels really good, honestly. This is so beautiful. Love this. And the next thing here is the suction, which looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks like that. So I'm just gonna stick it here so you get like a picture of what it should look like so, to the wall. Ouch, dropped it. It also comes with these two beautiful blades here. You guys, this is well made, okay? Look at it. Oops, dropped it again. I have no idea what's going on, but it looks like this, you guys. I'm sorry about that. Hope you guys enjoy watching. I'm gonna leave the link to Ipsy down in the description box below so you can go sign up and start getting goodies from them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to stay safe, stay beautiful. Subscribe here with the bell to all so that way you don't miss any uploads from me. I upload videos every week. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.